Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of 15 Minutes to Merge. I'm April Edwards, I'm your host, and with us this week we have an amazingly special guest, Patrick Knight. Patrick, welcome.
Hey, April, thanks for having me.
Glad to have you here. You have an awesome new GitHub feature that we're going to talk about and share with everyone today. What is it?
Yeah, so I'm going to be talking about repository rules. It's our new way to kind of enforce code compliance at scale. It's kind of our next generation of branch and tag protections.
Which is awesome because branching policies are good, but they were very, very limited. And compliance is huge within most organizations. When I say most, almost every single organization. So take it away and tell us all about repo rules.
Yeah, sure. I think I want to pull back a little bit and talk about like how we got here. And so I'm going to show off a little bit of way branch protections works today. And then like dive into like why we were like evolving this space and what kind of problems that we were trying to solve. So if you can see my screen here, we've got the branch protection rules page up. And so if I'm going to add a branch protection rule, like it's pretty basic. You just give it a name pattern and like I can do wildcards here, but it's not very straightforward to like what I may be protecting when I do this. And it gets really complicated in scenarios where I have disparate branching names that maybe need the same pattern.
Yes.
So like if I had a feature or development pattern, I may be creating the same set of branch protections, maybe 2, 3, 4 times in a single repo. And when you think about that in an organization, like 100 repos, 3 branch protections per repo, you're 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,000 configurations across your org, and that's just not scalable. Which is why we built repository rules. So let me show you how those work. I'm going to go over here to rules, and we're going to create a rule set. A rule set is kind of all of the different configurations that kind of package up and deliver a set of branch protections to you. Awesome. So we'll click up here in the right-hand corner and we'll select new rule set, and we're going to do a new branch rule set. There are a couple other options up there, but we're going to protect branches today. And so we can give it a name. We'll call this April because we're talking to April today.
That's a great name. I like it.
Yeah, good. And then one of the nice things that you have here is an enforcement status. By default, out of the box, these are off. It gives you the ability to kind of craft the collection of rules that you need to enforce. But one of the really cool things is you can obviously activate it, have it on and enforced. But if you're a GitHub Enterprise customer, you can actually put them in evaluate mode. And what that'll do for you is give you the ability to kind of try before you buy. So if you're a little apprehensive of like, I don't know what this status check is going to do if I were to enforce it, how bad is this going to be if I go from like 2 PR reviewers up to maybe 4? This gives you the ability to kind of like see what's going to happen. And I'll show you where you can kind of look at that data a little bit later. But we're going to set this one to active. Bypass list is exactly what it sounds like, who these rules don't apply to. You can define them against a role, a team, or an app. And so we're going to add a bypass here. We're going to make sure our DevOps admins don't have this rule applied to them. And then next is like, all right, these are branch protections. How do we actually pick what branches we care about here? So if you come over here and click Add Target, we've got a couple options for you. We've made it really easy to just pick the default branch. No more thinking like, wait, is it master? Is it main? Is it release? We don't care. We just care about the concept of your default branch. If you want to get and cover everything, you can do include all branches, which will get every branch in this repo. Or if you want to get surgical, we can do include by a pattern, and that'll get you kind of the wildcard style pattern matching that you were used to in branch protections. But where this gets really nice is we can do feature star here, and that'll get all of our feature branches. But I can keep adding targets here. And so I can come in and do dev star. Maybe that's another pattern of branches that we have. But I know like maybe April's doing some special work there in one of those development branches that these rules aren't going to be a great fit for. So I can actually exclude a pattern here too. So we can do dev/April/1, or actually we'll just do this. So any branches that April is working on in that release branch, we're going to exclude rules for her because we know they're probably not a great fit for the work that she's doing right now. And then down here are kind of traditional branch protections. We give you all of the same branch protections that you were used to before in the protected branches, with a few like tweaks. One of the biggest ones is down here, and they're called metadata restrictions. And what these allow you to do is apply some data shape to the way you want your commits to look. So really, if you're thinking about like how you want your code base to behave, maybe you've got some organizational standards that you want to enforce. Like two good examples that come to mind for using this are like conventional commits, or if you're thinking about using tags for tag rule set, you can define semantic versioning here as well. So what you do is hit add a restriction, and then you can apply these to the commit message, the email address for the committer and author, or branch names too. So you can kind of constrain those branch name patterns as well. But we're going to apply a commit message. We're going to be friendly here. We want to make sure all of our commit messages start with hello. You could get very complex here. Like I said, conventional commits, and the way you would do that was must match a given regex pattern. I don't know about you, April, but I'm not going to be able to bang out a good regex pattern here right now. No. So we're going to go with a simple example.
I love
but you can get pretty complex here. One thing to keep in mind, though, is this is going to affect a developer's daily experience. So, like, you need to balance that, like, how restrictive you want to be with these rules, because they are going to check against every commit message in a PR. So, like, if you've got a stack of, like, 5 commits that are going up, we need to make sure, like, all 5 of them match these rules. So, like, we want to give you some guardrails here, but like think about how this may impact your like developer community.
Absolutely, and that's a tough fine balance, but I think we work with a lot of customers that need that ability to customize their commits and match a pattern, especially on the metadata side. That is really key. It's an awesome feature that I've been excited to use. Because I think we've often worked with engineers or developers that have bypassed some of the project requirements because we're in a rush, and it's not we're trying to do harm, we're just in a rush. So I think being able to make sure we do our due diligence is
and that's a good point too. Like one of the things that we really took to heart with repository rules is kind of this secure by default model. In branch protections, if you were a repository admin, rules didn't apply to you. You actually had to go in and specifically opt into branch protections. We took the opposite model here. And if you look at that bypass list, the repo admin isn't included by default. And we did that intentionally. And so even if you went in and added yourself or your team to a bypass list, we actually give you a little bit of friction back too. In both the web UI and the Git client, will actually tell you, hey, there were rules enforced, you just happened to bypass them. So we're not going to block you, but we do want to give that extra level of like, hey, there was something here, just, be aware.
Enable but notify.
Exactly. And then for developers where we do have rules enforced, and I'll click create here and we'll save this. So we've got this created rule set here, it's enforced. I'm actually going to make this easy on myself for this demo that I'll do here in a second. And we'll just do all branches because I don't want to think about it. All right, so we're going to go back to my terminal or go to my terminal as a developer. And let's see if we can show what rules look like from this perspective. So we're going to create a simple file here. And then we'll do... I believe we said we wanted to be friendly, but I'm going to not be friendly.
Ooh, you're going to say hi instead of bye. Okay.
I'm going to say bye instead. All right, so that's my commit message, and we're just going to go push this up. And so you can see we actually didn't push this commit up. And so what we got was, hey, there's a rule violation here. We're going to print out like, hey, your commit message must start with this pattern. And the other thing we actually do is we give you this URL here. And what this is actually going to do is I'm going to copy this out and switch to my other browser here real quick. So as that developer, if I were to go to this URL, what we're going to do is we're going to give you a read-only view of all of the enforcements that are on this repository. So you have line of sight as a developer of like what's what
Gotcha.
enforcements do you have here?
Makes sense.
And so I can click on this and you can see like, all right, here's all the target branches that we care about. We actually give you a list of like the first 10, so you have an idea. And then we tell you, hey, like, look, we're restricting deletions, we're blocking forced pushes, and then you had to meet this metadata restriction as well. So we do that in the CLI. You also get that same experience from github.com if you were to commit there, and as well on GitHub Desktop. So depending kind of where you're committing from, we'll give you back those inline messages that say, hey, here's the enforcements that are in play. You know, be aware. And it's that good like insight of, you know, previously with branch protections, you didn't know, like you just kept pushing and you're like, okay, now I'm blocked here. Now I
Yep.
got this thing. And it's
And
just
you
this like,
constantly are beating your head against the wall trying to push
yeah,
it.
this never ending cycle of like trying to get your work committed and like just like this black box of rules. And like we really wanted to not only make it a great admin experience, but like a good developer experience too. Like it's not fun getting stopped in the middle of your work. But at least now you've got some line of sight of like, okay, here's what I need to do to get around these enforcements. So
Perfect. 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 Well, that's awesome. I really like these. I like the rule sets, and I've started using them instead of my branch protection rules, obviously, because they're scalable and they're a lot more secure.
yeah, and so let's thanks for bringing up scalable. I think that's the other piece of it to show off here a little bit too. This is a single repo. We've protected, you know, we've got 14 branches in here. That's nice. These are some nice enhancements, but let's actually go up to our organization and show how we would kind of get this same level of configuration up there.
Yeah, because I
So
think
we'll go up,
that's most of what people want to see, right? I work with
yeah,
so many orgs that have 2,000 repositories, more, 12,000. I've seen
yeah.
it, and they want to know how to scale this. So I'm excited to see this.
Yeah, so I've got a couple here that I've already set up. Maybe you were at Universe and saw these, but we're going to go create a new one here. So we'll do a new branch rule set again, um, but we'll call this, I'm being very boring with names today, but so we'll call this org April. We're going to go do the same thing we did before at the repository level. So we're going to make this active. Because we're at the org level, we do give you some like warnings here, like, hey, by the way, keep in mind this could have a pretty big impact. So we do give you a little confirmation box here. And then we'll do the same bypass. We have this team. We also want to make sure our org admins can bypass too. We want to make sure there's those kind of like that group of actors that can kind of break glass of like, we really need to commit this right now. There's a
That's fair.
dumpster fire somewhere. Like we just need to push. Doesn't matter. But here's the interesting part of like we want to target repositories from the org level. Maybe we want all of them, and that's pretty easy. So you can actually come down here and just do all repositories. Boom, done.
Easy.
It gives you the ability to set that like minimum bar across your organization. Maybe from a compliance perspective, you need to say like we got to do 2 reviewers everywhere.
Hmm.
Maybe you've got some status checks that you want to run from the org level everywhere. This gives you a good way to target that. And then you can come in and target your branches like we did before at the repository level. This default branches is my favorite feature at the org level because literally I don't have to care. As an org admin,
Yes.
I could have branch naming patterns all over the board and like doesn't matter.
That's awesome because we also have legacy repositories with legacy naming, and we
Exactly.
can't always undo those very easily.
Yep.
While it's easy
Yeah.
to change the default branch name, it's not easy if it's embedded in your code or super legacy. So this is awesome.
Yeah, exactly. And so we give you the same level of branch protections that you had before at the repository level. There are a couple different ones like you don't get deployment environments up at the org level because those only can exist at the repository level. Merge queue isn't up at the org level. Again, kind of those same limitations where that's a feature that can only exist per repository.
Okay.
But one of the things you can do at the org level that you can't do at an individual repository is instead of requiring status checks, which, if you set up status checks before, like maybe you've got 4 or 5 on an individual repo and you got to go add each one and be like, okay, it's actions. You can actually now require a workflow to pass before merging and just
Awesome.
set this up at the org level. And this is really easy. So like you can go in and select a repository where your workflow is at. I happen to be lazy and named my repository where these are at called workflows. And then we give you the ability to pick a workflow here. We just auto-populate this list of available workflows for you. And one of the really nice things here is you want to make sure the right workflow runs. And so what you can do is you can actually reference a specific version of that workflow file. So you can do it by like, is it on main? You could get really complicated if you know the SHA. You can define the SHA of that workflow file, and then you can pin it. So what that means is anytime we run this workflow across this org, we're going to run this specific version. And so that gives you the ability to continue to iterate on that workflow file, run it, test it, evaluate it, and then come back here and then enforce it later.
That is really cool. That is really, really cool, because that is so often we need to modify a workflow. But if it's the working workflow, that doesn't work. So this is awesome. This is so cool to see. I love this capability.
And so you can create that. So we've created another set of branch protections, but these are enforced up at the organization level. So if I switch back to this view I showed you before of rule sets at a repo for a developer, I'm going to refresh this now. And we have two sets of requirements that come into play now. And so we give you visibility and line of sight on both of those. So from this UI perspective, you've got that like, oh, okay, here's what's coming from my org, and you can see it's managed by that organization. Just to give you that like, oh, maybe I don't need to go talk to my repo admin. I got to go find the folks that manage our org to maybe get around this rule or make some configuration changes to it. So
awesome.
And then I had mentioned early on about this evaluate mode. So I'm going to step back a little bit and kind of dig into that because this is really interesting. So we're going to go back to a repo because I know I have some interesting data here. And I'm going to click on, underneath the rule sets, I'm going to click on insights. And you can see here, here's my push from a little bit ago. And I'm actually going to zoom out to the last month to give you a bigger, fuller picture. And so what I'm showing you is activity of all attempts to merge into this repo. I say attempts because it could be positive attempts where it did actually merge, and things that we blocked from the rules engine. And so you can very clearly see that over here on the side with these pills. So you've got this failed, we've got a pass here, and then we also show bypasses as well. So I mentioned before with admins where we give you that notification in line that you're bypassing rules. We also publish that to rule insights as well. So from an administrative and security perspective, you can really get that good line of sight of answering the question, how did this code get into this repository?
Yes.
And now you have a thing. I'm sorry?
Traceability.
Yeah, exactly. And what's really cool here is, so we give you this like high level, like, did it pass or fail? And you can kind of filter this too. And like, let's take a look at all the fails. You can actually click the ellipses here and we give you more detail. So this was a previous rule set. I deleted it. We still want that record of potentially what was happening here. So we can actually expand this out. We show you, okay, like we blocked it because we didn't hit that commit message rule, but everything else passed. And you actually get like really great detail here too. So like you can see all the status checks that were run. Those all passed. And you can also see who approved this PR as well.
And the PR
so we give you a really nice, I'm sorry?
And you can see the PR number right there as well.
Exactly. So yeah, we give you a really nice like snapshot of like what happened at this specific point in time.
This is awesome. I think just for the rule insights alone, this is more than worth the value right there. Because we are going to have a failure. We're going to have an outage, and knowing what caused it and when is super critical. So this is great. It references the PR. We know exactly the commit messages. We can look at the SHA codes. This is really, I love this. This is awesome.
And then the other thing that I didn't mention is literally everything I showed you is backed by APIs. So if I showed it to you in the UI, you can go do it in REST and in GraphQL, and there's no like different sets of features across different endpoints. It's consistent everywhere you want to interface with it. So
awesome. Patrick, this has been incredible to see the new repo rule sets in action, doing their thing, and all the capability we baked into it. So thank you so much.
I got one last thing for you though, April. What I'm going to do when we're done here is I'm going to take the rules that I created for us today. So we'll go to this one. and I'm actually going to export it. So this is a feature we have in beta right now. And what this
Great.
gives you the ability to do is say, I like this rule set. I want to go save it off somewhere else. Um, and so you can save this as a JSON object. Um,
Perfect.
and then what I'm going to do with it when we're done here is we actually want to make it easy for you to kind of follow along and see what we did. Because what you may not have noticed when I clicked new rule set is there's also import a rule set. And so you can import that JSON object. And so we have a repo available now called Ruleset Recipes. And this is where we've been publishing kind of really popular rule sets that we've seen people adopt. You can actually see here, like I shared the universe demo rule sets that I created. And when we get done here today, I'm going to go publish the rule sets that I created up here so people can follow along and see, like, here's all the configurations that that happened today. So yeah.
I love this. Patrick, thank you so much. So everyone who's watching, you can go get started with rule sets, use some of Patrick's secret recipes, which I love. We can push donuts because I saw donuts and tacos in there. So thank you, Patrick, so much for coming on the show for 15 minutes to merge, and we will catch you all next time.
Great. Thanks, April.